Hi guys, so today I'm going to try out this gift card holder. To be honest, this is going to seem a little weird because I'm using like Christmas colors, but and you're probably going to see it after Christmas. But you know, you can use any colors that you would like. So I recently picked this up on HSN as a Stamps of Life for your gift card holder die set. So I'll link it in the description box. That would be an affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission if you're purchase items to those links. I'm assuming they might also have this on Stephanie's site itself. I don't know. The Stamps of Life. Created, owned by Stephanie Bernard. I'm trying to pull this thing out, sorry guys. Hey. And I think it's just going to be easy to work with. I mean, I want to see if I can make it look Christmassy even though the flowers are very daisy. I mean, we do have a bow here, so maybe we'll use that. And then I haven't used this Anna Griffin paper this season yet, which was crazy. I'm not sure why. Probably because I got it a little bit late in the season, so just had already done everything else I was going to be doing, you know. Ugh, let's take that off. I'll remove the other side too. Actually, I'll just try to pierce it. And then, it seems pretty simple. The reason I'm grabbing this too is because this paper's a little bit heavier weight. Come on, buddy. There we go. I love that paper. It's so cute. I was thinking about using this one just because it has like a direction, very up and down. And I thought that would be great for this die. We will see. I don't know if you've seen the haul video yet. Probably. Well, yeah, probably. I gave you a measurement of this and this larger die. And what's interesting about this larger die, oh my goodness, everything of course is that double-sided tape that's like impossible. Completely destroys the whole thing, bending this. It just barely goes edge to edge on the Platinum 6. Which probably means it does the same thing on a Big Shot, I would assume, unless you have like the larger one. So I'm going to run this through my Tangerine, but I just want to show you guys that because it is right there. I mean, really almost actually too much. So sometimes, you know, the opening is a little bit larger than these guys, so that's okay as long as that cut line is right there, and it is, but it's right there. So I just want to show that to you guys. I'm going to do this. Now let's pay attention. I don't think that matters. Okay, I was going to say, because you're going to fold it over, and if you can see on the cover here, this folds down, right? So this faces down, but it doesn't look like there's really direction up and down on this paper, in my opinion. So I'm just going to trim this down a little bit. And I'm going to run it through the Tangerine. Now, I love what's going on here with this paper, but I do want to use one of these little topper pieces. Why not? So maybe the For You. This is what I want to impress upon you guys, that it's facing this way because obviously it's in the packaging, but if you cut it out that way, it's going to be upside down, right? Because that's going to flap down when you're done. This comes down, so this needs to be read like this, right? So the words For You or a gift for you, whatever it is that you're going to put, needs to be facing this way and that little pointy part down. And I mean, you can orient it up in the corner, you can use it later, you can put it right in the center. I mean, there's just whatever it is that you want. I do have a red piece of paper here that's not big enough, but either way, I'll find a coordinating paper that I would like to use. And, ooh, yeah, maybe something sparkly. I don't know. Look at this. Ooh, that's a little much, huh? But you know what? Why not? Let me see if I can put that there. Okay, so I'm going to put it kind of in the center-ish, like that. And of course, we're going to tape it because we do not want that to move, our dies. And so we will see if we can make something that's a little more playful, look a little more elegant. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so let's put it to the side. We have our main piece here. And this beautiful topper piece, and again the lettering is really nice and big. I don't know if I'd say again because I haven't talked about it, but you can definitely use it, you know, over if you would like, or paper piece back in. Oh, really pretty. Alright, well this is going to be very easy, so all we're going to do is fold these guys in. And then this latches in here. So as far as this being like a gift card holder or a money holder or anything like that, basically it's just going to go in here. It's not holding it down or anything like that. And then it gets this treatment and then this. And I'm going to score it just a little bit because it wants to pop up a little bit. And then this guy folds over, and it's easily scored because there is a space there. You know, it's not like it's right on it, so it works very easily. And then this guy pops in here like that. And that is it, you guys. That's really cool. I do like that. Now this guy, I'm a little scared because I did use the fancy finish. I don't want to make glue lines show up, so I'm going to put glue a little bit. I think, you know, I just use this. Of course. Let's see, those little plastic, there we go. So just put this down here, and just a little bit here and there, but I'm going to try and wipe away the excess, because a lot of times, well, not a lot of times, it depends on your glue. If it has a lot of moisture content, it will definitely make your metallic papers react, and then you'll see all the little scribbles that you just put of glue on there. This is art glitter, and whenever I take off the excess, it gets really sticky really fast, so like you have to be careful with it when you go to stick it down. Okay, I'm just gonna hold that down for a little bit and I'll be right back. Guys, I mean, literally that's it. It is that fast. Now, of course, you have little flowers you can decorate with and all that, so let me pop that in there. I mean, that looks very nice. I'm loving the Anna Griffin paper with that. Again, there's also a matte layer for the back if you want to put that, or if you just want to put that on the back maybe, or mix and match the wording in and have it on the back and not on the front. Maybe you just decorate the front, you know, matte layer the front without the words, and then add some of your little flowers. I mean, there's lots of ways to dress this up. I think what I'm going to do is maybe this little guy. No, normally I would go with like a deeper red for an Anna Griffin thing like this, but I think, ooh, see, I would like to put that there, but it's gonna run into this, or unless you pop it here, and then both things slide in, but then maybe the person wouldn't know. I don't know. Let's just try it and see. So I'll do this through red and this through this gold glittery paper here, and I'll be right back. Literally just scraps of paper here. Oh, look at this guy. Oh my gosh, he's so delicate. My goodness. Okay, I'm gonna glue that down. It is super delicate. Can you even see it? Like, wow. So cute. Now let's see where we want to put that. What I was saying is if we put it here, it might interfere, you know. I guess you have to put it high enough so it doesn't. Or if you place it under here, you can just, that looks really cute. Think that works, guys? It looks very cute there, so I kind of want to do that. Let's see. Just make sure that the glue is right up to the tip, you know what I'm saying, right up to where it opens. And we'll place that there. I'm going to hold it for a little bit. Actually, it's a little bit crooked. I can see there's a slit here where there's not over here. Okay, let's make sure it's not crooked. I'm gonna hold that for a little bit. I'll be right back. That's set up enough. So, monies, gift card, recipe, prize recipe, whatever it is you put in there. And then this guy can go in here. And let's see if I didn't make it so that it interferes there. Ooh, no, I mean, you do have to get behind it, right? You have to kind of work that part out. Right down there. Okay, it's a little glue there I needed to separate, but that's really cute, and actually that works out. I mean, obviously you're going to open it, so the person I think would know that they need to open it like this, and once they've opened it, I mean, they know to close it back up the same way. That's cute. I like the little bow there. It makes it look very much festive, like a little wreath bow or something. But there it is, guys. Really quick, really fast. If you have this, congrats. You have like the fastest gift card maker, even though, and I don't know when you'll see that video, I also reviewed the Stamps by Me gift card maker, which is this little thing, and then this one. So they're slightly different. This one's very fast also, but what I'm saying is I think this one is cuter and pretty quick. Let's see here. And you can use it for all kinds of things. I mean, can you imagine just putting like little die cuts in there for a swap or just whatever it is that you want? Oh my gosh. 4 1/8 by 2 7/8, I would say. It's almost 3 inches. So there's that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Really quick, I really like this set. I'll have images coming up. I'll have links in the description box, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.